Do you understand English? When watching videos like this, you understand the words and the meaning too. But when someone asks, "Can you speak English?" you suddenly become nervous. Your confidence disappears. Your mind goes blank. You know English, but you can't speak. Other people speak confidently, but you stay quiet because you are scared of making mistakes. You study grammar for hours. You memorize vocabulary, but speaking still feels difficult. Friend, why are you always so quiet in English? Girl, because I'm afraid people will laugh at me. You try translating every sentence inside your head first. That makes speaking slow and stressful. But here's the truth. You do not need perfect English. You only need confidence to communicate. Don't learn single words only. Learn complete phrases. For example, "I'm really hungry right now. I'm too tired to work." This is how fluent people learn naturally. Now repeat after me slowly. I can speak English. I don't need perfect grammar. Mistakes help me improve. Yes, you will make mistakes sometimes, but every mistake makes you better. Practice a little every day, while walking, while cooking, while studying. Small practice creates big confidence. And one day, you will finally speak English without fear, without overthinking, with confidence. Remember this: communication is more important than perfection. So starting today, stop being afraid, start speaking, and your English will change forever. Comment below. What is your biggest English problem?